Check it out. I saved the kitchen from itself. Yeah. Woo! Everyday occurrence, but yeah, this one's documented. It's almost like civilized people live here. This is great. And I mopped even. It's all clean. So if per se a baby were crawling around, she would be having a good and happy time. Not eating like cat hair or something, or crumbs or whatnot. Only a few rooms left to go. Things are looking good here. I think I'll leave this room. Nobody really goes in here much. Not yet. River, this is photographic evidence that I was cleaning up your clothes before you were even born. Yeah. Ta-da! I'll take out the trash. And yeah, no, I think I'm pretty good. I'm done. House is made back into a livable home. Or Starship, as I prefer. No, seriously, I prefer. You guys have to check this out. It's this cool new superpower I just got. I can't wait to show Kayla when she gets home. Alright, check this out. VNC Remote. This is a list of all the videos on the playlist that's running on my computer right now. I can pick any episode and it will play. I can also fast forward in the episode. I can also increase the volume or decrease the volume. There we go. Or I can pause. It's amazing. It's set up on both my and Kayla's iPod touches. Hers defaults to her computer and mine defaults to my computer. But you can just go back and pick the other person's computer. So yeah, this is awesome. This is the and a half, honestly. Go VNC, cashing in on the App Store. Well, it looks like Kayla needs me to bring some money so she can buy rolls. Sounds like pasta. Later, kids.
I've seen you in that shirt a lot lately.
It's new, I like it.
I know, but as long as you wash it, that's fine.
I wash it.
Okay. Groovy.
There you go. And you don't have to donate any.
I don't understand. They know that they're so picky that they won't take the donuts because they'll be messy. It's a Friday.
Oh yeah, I forgot. It's Friday.
Thank God.
Well, you have a nice clean house.
Oh, you can.
Oh, I try.
Seriously. He cleans the house for me. He does the dishes, he cleans the litter box, he does the laundry. Okay.
I edited the video.
You edited the video. Thank you.
Oh, no problem.
Hi,
Hey, Wiggle.
Oh, Heather, stay here.
Yeah, stay inside.
You rock. Oh, the kitchen's clean and the dishes are done. So nice to come home to a nice clean place.
I try.